Hello friends, welcome to our channel Alcheme Green Energy Company. The installation you are looking at now is the one we have completed recently with the 14 panels of Topcon 570 watts Adani panels. The total capacity is around 7.98 kilowatts. Here we have an elevated structure where we have installed the panels. To avoid shadow area, we have to opt for elevated structure. And in the middle of the rows, there is a walkway we have provided for easy access of the solar power plant, solar panels, and to facilitate easy cleaning of the solar panels. The inverter used here is of Growatt 8 kilowatt inverter we have used, and we expect an average unit generation of power generation of 13,500 units per annum, and the total carbon emissions avoided from this solar power plant shall be of 9,450 kgs, which is nothing but 1 unit for solar electricity generated is going to avoid zero point 0.7 kgs of carbon emission. This is what is our conversion factor, and I hope you like this video. Solar for your soul free electricity is our goal. See you in next video. Thank you.